A couple of weeks ago, I promised to show you how to make lotion with just one beaker. I know we have made one beaker lotion before on this channel, but it seems a bit more complicated, so I want to show you a simpler way to make your lotion with one beaker. Remember, to make a lotion you have a stable formula. So we have a startup formula, a DIY formula to use today. So I want you to follow along with me. It might take a while for us to finish this, but if you want to learn lotion making, this is a very good uh, upgraded course you want to go for. So the first you want to do is spray your beaker with isopropyl alcohol. I use isopropyl alcohol 70%, which is also called rubbing alcohol. Make sure you have a scale that is stable enough. Okay, do not just use any scale. Do not use any of the cheap scale you find on Amazon. Go for a lab scale, especially if you want to gravitate toward making beauty product for a large number of people. So if you want your formula to be stable, make sure you go for a scale that is a bit more accurate. Okay, so if you cannot afford this now, start with any scale you have, but as you continue to upgrade, if you want to start selling to the public, you want to upgrade to a scale like this. So what you want to do is set your scale to gram if it's not already in gram. We're going to first make sure you write down the recipe we're using. Remember, this is a DIY, so we have a recipe available for the public. I'm going to measure 0.5 gram of xanthan gum. Okay, so 0.5 gram of xanthan gum. So measure 0.5 gram of regular xanthan gum. To that, we're going to add 6 gram of vegetable glycerin. Add 6 gram of vegetable glycerin and mix well. Sorry about my desk. My desk is the dirtiest desk ever. So we want to keep everything under the camera, so that's why so measure. To that, you add 6 gram of vegetable glycerin, USP grade by pureblendnatural.com. Everything we use today is available at Pure Blend Natural. So you mix that together. Remember, we are going to use only one beaker. We are not going to do water phase, oil phase. We are mixing everything in one. Okay. So that is the first step. Then you're going to add 73.5 gram of distilled water to this mixture. 73.5 gram of distilled water.